At the end of the day, day trading is not about being right. It's not about being wrong. It's about making fucking money. So if you make money being wrong, it's totally fine. Like there's going to be days where you're like, hey, the market's going to go up. It doesn't go up. It goes down. But at least you have an understanding that it's okay to be wrong because there are more opportunities to make money. There were times today where we were like, hey, we're going to short. The market didn't want to go lower. Instead of trying to sit there and like add to our position and then being like, you know, turning into a total nightmare of a day, it's like, fuck it. If the market doesn't want to go lower, then why are we going to sit there and fight it? Don't fight the market. The market will always win in the end. If you try to fight the market constantly, you will end up losing money. Today is a perfect example of that for me. I overall in the day had about a 57% win-loss ratio, but I still was able to walk away in the green because my largest winning trade was $1,500. My largest losing trade was $250. There's a big difference between being a profitable day trader and taking big profits, but then also taking massive losses. You can't trade and make money if your losses are eclipsing your winners. So if you're having $300 profit days, $200 profit days, but then you're losing $1,000 in one day, there is something drastically wrong with your overall strategy. So you really need to think about that. You obviously need to make money to make money, but you don't want to be losing more money than you're willing to basically win. And that's something to do with the psyche as well. I think it's very easy to hold on to a loser, but it's very hard to hold on to a winner. When you're up in the green, you're like, I'm up $100, take a profit. And then when you're in the red, you're easily holding on. You're like, well, fuck it, I'm down 500. Let me just keep holding. I'll just keep holding. I'll keep holding. It's okay. I'm going to keep holding it. It's going to go back up. There is no hoping and praying, especially with futures. If you're trading futures, you have to know when to stop. You have to know how to get out of the trade. You cannot hope and praying. No hoping and praying and accepting the fact that it's okay to be wrong. It is 100% okay to lose as a day trader. The better the day trader you are, the more accepting you are of the fact that you're going to be wrong. You're going to lose. But knowing that if I cut off my loser fast and I look for the next opportunity and not let that loser become a massive loser, well, that right there is power and that's experience. And as a day trader, that's what you need to do. You need to accept, yes, I lost money on that last trade. Okay, now it's time for me to take another trade. I'm going to make that money back. And it's not that we want to make the money back, but it's just a game, right, of being wrong, but then being right. Being right again, and then being wrong. And it's constantly just this battle where you're going to be wrong, you're going to be right. Even the best day traders in the world take losses. It's 100% a normal thing. If it was just simply just buying and selling and just making lots of money, well, then it would be called just profiting, not day trading. We're trading wins with losses. Think about that. You're trading wins with losses. In the end, we want to make sure that our winners are larger than our losers. And that's all it comes down to. You know, buying low, selling high. The most simple and most rudimentary day trading strategy there is. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Oh, God, come on. Push it, baby. Push it. Through this level, I got to get going right here, right now. It's 315, almost 315 here. Pushing 79s, trying to get through that 80 level. The high of days so far, 80.50. If we can get through here, we're going. Give me that 81 fill. 84 being my target to the upside here with that pivot point up there. The high of days so far there at the 80.50. We get through 80.50, we're going. 84s. 84s. Make it happen, Patrick. Make it happen. 81, pushing through the high of day now. Can we go all the way? 84s. A little bit more. Just a little bit. Give me one fill at least. Give me 81.25 fill. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't pull back on me. She's going 81s at least. I'm going to get some fill here, right? 81.25. Come on. Come on. How you going to do that to me? How you going to do that to me, market? How you going to do that to me? It's still going to go. It's still going to go. Come on. Oh my baby Jesus. How did I not get filled there? 81.25. Come on, give me filled. Finally getting filled there. Had my order there for an hour. Still going. Let's go. Taking some fill there. I told you guys we're going to 84s. Did I not tell you? Come on. Did I tell you guys that? Did I tell you guys that? Do you guys remember me talking about 84s? I think I talked about it here on the stream a couple times today, actually. 84. I had something about 84. Magically number 84. Magical 84 number. It was magical 84s. Why? Why does anyone fucking, why? I saw people in the chat, they're like, we're going back down. Get the fuck out of here. If I'm long and I'm saying we're going to 84s, we're going to fucking 84s. All right? 83.75. Mic drop. Now what'll be interesting is if we pull back from here, then I'll really be the god of trading.